Okay, so I have an HTML file and we are going to install this to our iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, so first we have to open the signature, and then I am little bit zoom it so that I can select everything easily. Okay, so first going to select everything, yeah, and hit copy. Okay, then we have to back our settings, scroll down. Okay, and this is the apps, and we are going to scroll down again, finding the mail. Okay, for M, yeah, this is the mail. So scroll down. So open the signature and you have to paste it here. Okay, yeah, pasting it here. Yeah, no worry, so just you have to shake your phone. Okay, so like this. Okay, or like this. Okay, faster. So then the action will come up. It's a undo change attributes. Okay, then let's click the undo and the signature will be perfect. Okay, you can see the signature looks good now. Okay, if you back and go again, then you can see it needs some time to load because my internet is not stable right now. So yeah, it's perfect now. So let's check it when we compose new mail. Okay, yeah, you can see, yeah, how it looks. Okay, so hope you got it and hope you install it perfectly on your iPhone. Okay, so thank you, see you next video.